Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to reset TCL Roku TV without remote. Let's go. First way, use keyboard. Open Settings. System. Advanced System Settings. Factory Reset. Enter code. Or use Roku Virtual Remote Control. Open Roku app. Choose your Roku TV. Open Settings. System. Advanced System Settings. Factory Reset. Enter code. Or open account. Devices. Choose your Roku TV. Remove device from account. Yes, remove device. That's it. Now you know how to reset TCL Roku TV without remote. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.